Looking for a way to celebrate or show your support for gay pride? Well, I have a card for you coming up. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from the BeardedHousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today we're going to be talking about these Pride insert cards that I have for you. It's a really simple card to make. It actually uses the print and cut function on your Cricut machines or other cutting machines. If you don't want to use the print and cut, you can always cut out the individual pieces that make the flag. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file and then we can get started making it. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. Once you type in the password, you'll be sent to where all the files are. You're going to want to look for number 82, which is the Pride Insert Cards. Download that file by clicking the hyperlink, and then we can open up Design Space. I have a new project opened in Design Space. We're going to head to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then click Upload. Highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and then we'll bring it into our canvas. And I've set all the score lines, but we need to do something with the print and cut. So click Ungroup, and then highlight the group that has all of the flag colors and that white box at the bottom. And then head down to Flatten. This will turn it into a print and cut image. If you don't want to do a print and cut, then you don't have to worry about this part. Click the green Make It button. You'll see the 3 different layers, and then click Continue. You're going to want to click Send to Printer. Make sure that the bleed is on, and then click Print. And now we can select our base material. I'm going to be using the medium cardstock, and I'm also going to change the pressure to more. And now we can go ahead and start loading our mats. To make this project on the Cricut Maker or Cricut Explore Air, you're going to want the green standard grip cutting mat, all of your cardstock and print and cut image, our scoring wheel or scoring stylus, some glue or adhesive, your Cricut brayer, a weeding tool just in case, and then I don't have it here, but also the Cricut scraper. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see when everything's done. Okay, everything's been cut out. It's time to go ahead and start assembling. I apologize for the blurry part of the video here. I'm experimenting with some different lights, and this is obviously not the clearest. So we're going to go ahead and fold along the score line on the outer card. Take your scraper and press the fold. Open up the card. And you're going to take the flag insert layer and place it into the slits on the outer card. There we go. All right, now let's do the envelope. So you're going to want to fold along the score lines of the envelope. Take your scraper and press all the folds. And take your glue or adhesive. I'm going to use my tape gun here. And put some adhesive on either side of the side flaps. And bring the bottom flap up to form the envelope. there we go. All done. How easy was that? I love how it's just, the only color on the card is the pride flag, so it makes it stand out and it's very, very graphic. I love the way, graphic in a good way, not in an obscene way. I love how it looks, and you know, pride obviously means a lot to myself and my family. I hope that you make it as a way to either celebrate gay pride or show solidarity with the LGBT community. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other card tutorials there, some Cricut stuff too, so make sure that you do check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Happy Pride to everybody out there. I will see everybody later. Bye.